Patrick. Patrick now doing him something there, you know. What?
Hello.
Hello, good night, Tori.
Yes.
Good night, Tori. Me can talk to you, please.
Who is this?
Yeah, my name is Tish, Miss DJ. That I Gibby, me tell him say me pregnant and him block me number. Me call Chun and Chun say me fi dash away belly.
Who this?
Tish.
Who?
Tishani.
Tishani.
Yes, miss. Hello.
I'm not sure if I know you.
No, you don't know, but me I tell you say, DB, he get me pregnant and he block me number. Me call Chun I go send me for dash away he belly. Tori. Yeah, me don't know what you can't me get to DB. And a DB sister this. And a DB sister.
Who?
DB sister. Yeah, DB sister.
So how you get me number?
Me did take your time phone come me did ask him who you and him say you're him sister.
Where you come from?
Santa.
Which part of Santa?
You go come for me, just see like you go come for me.
Which part of Santa?
You go come me no. A Santa me come from. You go. Tori. Boulevard me come from.
Where?
Boulevard.
I can't, wanna.
Miss, can you help me, please?
How old are
I'm 15.
15.
Yes, miss. I go States.
You sure said they know you?
Yeah, me sure they did help me with like money for go school. But me don't know, like, him never want me for pregnant. Me don't know.
Give me the number.
I'm fine. I'm a friend. I'm a friend Ashley father phone me I use him run a back a cuss, right? Sir Patrick, you can't get see me and talk to his sister. See how she there on the phone.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Yeah, man. Who this me I talk to?
That one will call my phone.
Well, the bumbo clock to me, man. I know you bury the little girl. You and the brother. What this girl?
What the hell? Me can't breathe nobody?
Well, the bum, me don't know what under your crutches. Me don't know, you know. But that little girl tell me, you know. Say you and your brother bury the little girl. That a DB. DB and your brother. You don't think, you know, say. Oh. Wait, oh. Yeah. Chiny, big okay. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, man, Tori.
Talk, me a hero.
Yeah, man, so what go on a school picnic, you know, so shall I be baby and bring come girl.
No, hello, look here. Me no have cock under me and pussy me and me can't breathe.
So you are the sister, so you will take care of the picnic when she have the picnic and what? How you go?
Oh, come be the tell her so she go cock up and take for.
So now I told you, Yeah, she friend! You're cold, you know bad. You know bad. Why you Why? Where's your
You